Welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki T, and today I'm going to make a green smoothie. What I'm going to do is, as I put the ingredients into my blender here, I'll just let you know how much of each I put in. So we have 1 cup of romaine lettuce. Put that in there. I've already cleaned it all. A half a cup of spinach. We're gonna put that in there. There we go. We're gonna do 1 mint leaf, 1 whole mint leaf, including the stem. Put that in there. We're gonna do a half an avocado. I've already cut it. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna add 1 whole lemon. I already juiced it from a fresh lemon, juiced it. We're gonna add that in there. We're gonna add 1 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of ice and 3 to 6 drops of stevia. Now stevia is very strong, so you don't need much. This is to taste, so whatever you like. I'm gonna put just 3 little drops in. That right there is gonna be a lot. There we go, 3 drops of stevia. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna get my blender here and I'm going to mix it all. There we go. I use a Vitamix, but you can use whatever blender you like. I like Vitamix because it blends it very, very nice. It's such a smooth blend taste. You don't get anything, no stem, nothing. So let's blend it. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna take this top off, pour the smoothie into a glass here. I'm gonna put my top on. See what we got. Perfect, perfect, the perfect green smoothie. It's packed with vitamins, it's packed with fiber, and it's packed with healthy fats from the avocado. So it's a great smoothie, a great way to start your morning. Let me know what you think. And until next time, thank you again for coming on to my channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow.